Hi, we will introduce ourselves. Alendra Deni Alfarabi, Dwi Nur Cahyani, Hana Kolsum, Emrafa Alvarado, Pasyal Galif Pratama, and Simar Mata Evan Timothy. And we will explain about reportage of washing machine.
Part of washing machine, the first is washer motor dry. Then washing machine dryer e-washer timer. Washing machine gearbox, the washer capacitor. Fan bell and drain house drain water. Or
The washing machine works by using mechanical power from the motor and drying tub to drive the washing tub.
Water for several minutes lets this rate. After that, the clothes are washed and dried by rotating the drum rapidly. You need to know that there are actually two layers of tubes in each washing machine, namely the inner and outer tubes.
A washing machine is a tool used to wash, rinse, and dry clothes. With this washing machine, you don't have to bother washing clothes by hand anymore.
the way a washing machine works is quite simple. The drum of the washing machine rotates in both direction and equalizes the clothes with the detergent and soap.
The world's first electric washing machine was invented by an American named David Alba Fisher in IQ. Even though someone had invented a washing machine before which I still required human power to move the needle on the machine to use the machine.
Common materials for washing machine taps are plastic, porcelain enamel, or stainless steel. Generally, if the tap is made of plastic or enamel, it will be cheaper, but it advisable to choose a tougher plastic than enamel.